Hey, what's up? This is KS for After Effects tutorial channel, and now time to working with Element 3D After Effects part 2. So let's get started how to model a 3D logo in Adobe After Effects. Create a new composition and select HD and name here 3D logo. What about time? Time must be 10 seconds and the background black means alpha. Press OK and then Ctrl R for ruler and turn on title action save area on. Now import your logo into After Effects. There is the logo. Okay, how to model 3D logo in Adobe After Effects. Create a new solid, Ctrl plus Y and right here Adidas logo. Press OK. Turn off your solid layer and then zoom your logo and go to select pen from tools and start masking like this. So turn on your solid and turn off the photo. There is the logo and go to select title right here Adidas. Ctrl A and select the color, must be black. Now change the font select this one and change it bold and change the size, move logo here. Okay, now turn off or delete the logo picture and right click, create a new solid for Element 3D. Press enter, go to effects, video copilot, element and go to effect control and go to custom layers, and there is you must select the path layer 1 Adidas logo and the path layer 2 Adidas. And now go back to scene setup and press extrude, zoom in, change the size and right click in scene, in model, duplicate model, select the model, change the path to, change the path 1, path 2. Okay, there is something miss. Path 1 is Adidas and path 2 must be Adidas logo. Go back to scene setup and select move and move the logo up like this. Okay, time to bevel presets. Which design of Adidas is looking good? There is a lot of presets. You can select one of them and change environment reflection. This is environment reflection, and you can change the edge layer of 3D model to different material. This is the shiny edge. You can go to materials, physical. There is a lot of material. You can change it to golden like this. Ctrl Z. Okay, now create a reflection. Go to create a new plane, scale up and rotate 250 and move back off logo. And now move it down and drop a material on this and right click, select reflect mirror surface, change it to into 2, press OK. Turn off the 2D layers and create a new camera, 28, and go to element 3D, group 1, particle look, change the logo size like this. And now I want to create a new materials. Press Ctrl N for creating a new composition, name it here, texture, press OK, and create a new solid. Right here, texture, go to effects and presets, right here the effect name fractal noise, right here fractal noise. Drop the fractal noise effect on your solid and change to blocks and change from there. There is a different fractal type. Select one which is looking better. Dynamics, twist, max. Max is good. Max is really good. And now go to evolution, press alt click on it and type here time start to 50. Play. And now create another effect, HUE. Drop this effect on the layer and turn on the colorize on, change the colorize saturation 100. There's okay. The another way is saturation is on. There's about transform scale down and overlay multiply, which is really good. Select the texture, change the texture into different. This is about soft light. This one is good. And drop a glow effect on this. This is glow effect. Play now. Yeah. Okay, go back to project and drop the texture down of the layer. 3D logo, down layer, and go back to select element 3D layer and scene setup. After this, select the shiny layer. I need one layer more. select the golden layer, and there is about depth. This is expand edge like this. You can depth down again, and there is the text extrusion. Select this one. This is about expand edge and down the bevel depth like this. Okay, now time to changing the material. Go to texture, diffuse. Before applying the texture on model, go to custom texture maps, select the texture and go back to scene setup. After that, go back to select the golden basic material, texture, apply the first texture. Okay, press OK, and now change to bright, change the reflection into dark, and go back, select. There you can apply more and more like this. Okay, press OK and copy material, apply on golden material, paste material, and now select the plane, right click, this is reflection, mirror reflection, there is mirror reflection, and go to reflection and press before OK, select this material, edit little bit, press OK and press OK. Okay, play now and select the texture, change the color, double click, change the color of texture, or you can apply on the texture, select this layer, go to HUE saturation, change to golden color like this. Yeah, and now apply glow effect on your element 3D and turn off this glow effect and change the setting of glow. Apply another one. Now good, and go back to element 3D, render setting, lighting, change it to cinema, or you can change the additional lighting, rotation like this. Go back to glow effect, control the glow effect like this. Change the color little bit more. Yeah, good. And now zoom the camera, down the camera, just One thing, very important thing, change the front layer of your 3D logo. Select material, change this material too. Which one is really good? Just apply and apply. This is about metal effect. Change the texture color like this. Yeah, this one is good. And press S, scale up. Now good. And select your camera, and before animating the camera, there is something a little bit problem about environment. Change the environment photo, backlight environment 4K. I need a dark environment. For this package, you must install the backlight Element 3D package. This one is good. And now select the camera, open the setting and transform, point and position, all of them. Stopwatch. In 3 seconds, change the camera position like this. Play now. Yeah, that's good. Okay, thank you guys for watching. This Element 3D tutorial part 2 was about how to model a 3D logo in Adobe After Effects by Element 3D plugins. For part 2 Element 3D tutorial, like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you, see you next time.